Do your eyes ache at the end of the day? Are you getting headaches just above your eyes or on the sides of your temples? You may be experiencing eye strain, and in this video we'll talk about how you can get some relief. Hey, it's Dr. Beard, practicing optometrist in the state of Utah, and this is the Stone Canyon Eye Show. In this channel, we go over the best tips and products to keep your eyes healthy and looking good. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and hitting the bell to be notified when new videos come out. And this video on eye strain is part 5 of our series on how the eyes work, so be sure to watch our other videos as well. Eye strain is something that we're seeing more and more as eye care professionals. Eye strain is essentially overworked eyes. Eye strain often comes to those who have to be on their computer a lot throughout the day for their job, or who like to look at their phone a lot throughout the day, or possibly game. Really any near task where you have to sustain a near focus up close for a long amount of time can cause eye strain. An analogy that we use a lot is similar to weightlifting. If you've ever worked out one of your muscles to the point of exhaustion, you'll know that a rep that might have felt easy early on when your muscle is exhausted might feel impossible. Well, your eyes are no different. Whenever your eyes have to hold an extended focus up close for a long period of time, that increased focusing power and your eyes having to turn in for extended amounts of time can exhaust your eyes. Our eyes are the same way. Focusing on something for an extended amount of time exhausts our eyes and our eye muscles and can make focusing on something that used to be really easy a struggle and leading to symptoms that we already talked about. When we're on computers or phones or other electronic devices, we've also looked at studies and found that we just don't blink as much. Normally we blink about 20 times a minute, but when we're on computers or other electronic devices, that drops to 8 and even sometimes 4 times a minute. Essentially, you're having a staring contest with your computer, and that dryness and irritation that comes from that contributes to the eye strain. When this eye strain happens from extended computer or extended near work, we call that computer fatigue syndrome or digital eye strain. There are a few tips that we have that can help you to relieve the digital eye strain. If you found this video helpful so far, be sure to look in our description and download our ebook From Dry Eyes to Wet Eyes. It's all about how to treat your dry eyes. Posture and a slightly lower monitor height are also important things to consider with digital eye strain. Try to sit up straight and not lean forward and crane your neck whenever you're at the computer or looking at your phone or other things up close. This can fatigue your neck muscles, which can also contribute to the symptoms of eye strain, such as headaches on the front of your head or the back of your head that radiates over the top. A good visual to remember is a straight but comfortable back with your ears over the top of your shoulders. Try not to sit with a super stiff posture, as this can ironically also contribute to the eye strain as your muscles get fatigued from having to hold that unnatural position for an extended amount of time. Slightly lowering your monitor from your line of sight down just a little bit can also help to relax your eyes and your neck muscles from having to look upward slightly and constantly strain your neck over an extended amount of time. Trying not to hold things super close to your face when looking at near can also reduce the amount of work that your eyes have to do to see clearly. The closer something is to your face, the more your eyes have to work to keep it in focus, and then your eyes have to turn in even more to keep it single as well as clear up close, which can definitely contribute to the feelings of eye strain. How many of us are guilty of holding our phone super close to our face at nighttime when we're trying to go to sleep? Try to hold it out just a little bit, but whilst being able to still see clearly. You can also turn on a dark mode or a night mode on your phone and try to turn down your phone brightness. This can help to reduce the intense blue light that can inhibit the melatonin secretion in your brain, which helps you sleep, so inhibiting the melatonin production can keep you up longer. Using lubricating eye drops and blinking your eyes more can also help to reduce the symptoms of eye strain. Oftentimes we tell people to follow the 20-20-20 rule, or every 20 minutes look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds or more. And during this 20-second break, you can use lubricating eye drops or blink your eyes several times to get your eyes refreshed, get new tears on your eyes, and help to relax those tired muscles to keep them refreshed longer, allowing you to work more comfortably for longer at near. If after all these tips you're still experiencing eye strain, be sure to talk with a local eye care doctor in your area about ways that you can reduce it. Oftentimes, things such as simply updating your glasses prescription can reduce the symptoms of eye strain. One thing that has relieved eye strain for many of my patients is getting a dedicated computer pair or reading pair of glasses to reduce the amount of work that their eyes have to do and putting that work onto the glasses, allowing them to work for much longer, up close, and keeping their eyes comfortable throughout the day.